Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced doesn't save your graphics settings on PC. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings app, click Privacy and Security. Then select Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and select Manage Ransomware Protection. Now click Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Click Add an allowed app. Then select Browse all apps. Navigate to the folder where Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced is installed. Select Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced.exe and click Open. Once the game has been added to the allowed list, continue to the next solution. Solution 2. Open the Start menu and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Then click Allow another app. Click Browse. Once again, navigate to the game's installation folder. Select acblackflag.exe. Click Open. Then click Add. If the game is already listed, you don't need to add it again. Now launch the game and check if your graphics settings are being saved correctly. Solution 3. If the issue still isn't fixed, check whether you're using a third-party antivirus. For example, Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, or any other antivirus program. Open your antivirus software. Add Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced.exe to the antivirus exclusions or allowed applications list. Once you've done that, launch the game again. That's all there is to it.